I would just like to give a big shout out to all of these amazing people who have bought me a coffee in support of me and my channel and my events. Whatever your reason, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I am going to go for a coffee. Oh no, wait. You want my video first? Enjoy! Hello Fanatics. Welcome to Diamond Painting Fanatics. I am Cindy and I had a guy knock on the door and it was this delivery. I do believe I know where this is from. I was contacted by Emily from DPclubs. I will link the website down below. And I was very kindly asked to review for them, and yeah, it's turned up today. Came via Hermes. I call them Hermes. Let's dig in. Emily said to me, "Oh, go on the website, have a look," and everything looks fine. Very budget friendly, very happy, and I just said to her, can you just send me some? Just pick some and send me them, because I like the surprise as well. So thank you very much, Emily, for contacting me. Let's dig in and have a look. It's come in this bag, so obviously it has my address on the other side. So I'm just going to... I don't know how many's in here. I don't know what's in here. It's very exciting. I like it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How awesome! We'll leave the big ones. Let's just go with these little ones first. So, comes in here. You can just open them, but I just do this. Be careful not to cut the canvas. Oh, I do enjoy getting a parcel, and it's nice not knowing what you're gonna get. It's like a box of chocolates. Here we go. So by the looks of it, it's poured glue, which is a huge plus in my book. Let's look at the back. Oh, we do have a small one. I just want to check it is poured. It is poured glue. Good. Sometimes it is actually double-sided adhesive on the clear paper. So we have our drills, all very nicely packaged. I'm not one for getting all the drills out. If you would like to see the drills in videos, let me know and I will pull them out, but I'm not one for pulling them all out. Yeah, very vibrant colours. We've got pinks and yellows, blues, greens, yellows, purples. Your standard green boat, pink pen, little bit of wax. And the first image is a 30 by 30 elephant. Now I'm going to hazard a guess here and say it's the canvas, the whole canvas that is 30 by 30. I'm not sure where I've put my tape measure, but let's do it in centimetres because that's what we work in. Yes, it's 25 by 25, but 20 colours, DMC coded. How cute is he? Let's zoom you in, move you down. How cute is that? He's very cute. It is poured glue, very, very sticky poured glue. Just zoom back out because it won't focus. Very colourful. I'm very happy with that. He's going to be a nice little cute one to do. Yeah, and it explains all the vibrant colours. Yeah, very, very confetti heavy, but it is a small painting, but it's going to work. You can see the elephant already. Obviously I will sit and do this, and we shall see how it turns out. But there is painting number 1. Oh, painting number 2. Okay, some tape to cross here. So be careful not to get the canvas. Oh, this will be interesting, because I do believe I have this one from a different company on a bigger size. So this is a 30 by 40. I'm just going to turn it over. Toolkit, same as the last one. We have greens and blues. Yeah, lots of greens and blues, and a little bit of yellow is thrown in there. So this canvas is, the canvas is very strong. It is a good canvas. And it is Starry Night. Ta-da! I do have this, I can't remember what size I have it in, but it's bigger, so yes, interesting. We only have 16 colours. It is DMC coded. Poured glue. This is awesome. And all these lines here is just plastic where it's been rolled up, so that is awesome. So we have Starry Night. Zoom you back out. Yeah, Starry Night. And then the building. Do we have, we don't have any 310. So it's 939. But yeah, I want to see how this one turns out, and yeah, with my other Starry Night, that would be awesome. Very happy. Let's have a look at this third one. What's it gonna be? Ooh, oh wow. She has my taste down with this one. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. Got my tastes right down with this one. you know me. We have pinks and reds, greens. Look at all those pinks. Again, to my taste. I'm not much of a girly girl in my day-to-day life, but in my diamond painting I'm quite... I like my pinks and purples. Toolkit, consistent, exactly the same. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's just down to my taste. Look at that. I'm going to have to do her. It is poured glue, so it will relax out. It looks like there's rivet, there's not, it's poured glue, so that will completely relax. It's just where it's been wrapped around. Yeah, I think I might have to do this one first. Look, there's butterflies here, and then all her hair, and she's got the Hannah Lynn look, so perfectly to my taste. I am a Hannah Lynn girl, for those of you who don't know. 24 colours, again DMC coded. They are consistent. That's one thing I like about a company is toolkits are exactly the same. It's not a mishmash of things. The drills, it's the same kind of packaging. Yeah, DMC coded. With the legend, it's letters. With this one, it is symbols, and then the other one is numbers and letters. Again, the charts will differ, but they're consistent, and I like that in a company. So that is my Hannah Lynn girl. I might have to call her Strawberry because she's just pink and delicious, isn't she? All butterflies here, and her blue eyes that stand out right down my street. Good choice. Awesome. I am a Hannah Lynn fan. Okay, let's have a look at this one. I do believe I had this in my, this is a 60 by 50. I did have this as one of my giveaway prizes. So let's just roll this out. Hope I can get you all in. Or you get 2 toolkits for this because it's a big one. But again, exactly the same. Consistent. Drills, exactly the same. Now these drills are coded, so if I wanted to, I label all mine, as you know, but I store my drills separate from my canvases, and this is, that code will correspond to the code on here. So WT215. WT215, so they will correspond. But look at all those purples and a little bit of pink and blue to break it up. Let's have a look at this canvas. And they're all poured glue. I mean, I love poured glue. And again, consistent. Always on my mind, forever in my heart, and I can read that looking at it. Sometimes when you're seeing it through the camera, it's more defined for you, but I can read that looking at it. And you've got all the flowers and the butterflies and the blossom. I had this canvas and I put it in my giveaway, and now I've got it back. Oh, it was meant to be, wasn't it? DMC coded. So again, it is all letters. So you're not going to get tripped up. 23 colours in this. I can multi-place at the bottom, do the confetti at the top. So I'm looking forward to doing this one as well. This is awesome. Yeah, this is awesome. I love it. I think they've cut the plastic just a little bit short here. There's a little bit of tacky glue, but that's okay. I cover it in cover sheets when I work on it, so poured glue, so that will completely relax. All this will relax, and it's so sticky. I love it. Yeah, and a legend on both sides. Awesome. And that canvas is quite tough and durable, so that's good. Let's have a look at the final one. I might have to move up. This looks like it's a 45 by 85. Now this, I believe, it goes all the way across rather than this way. This one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, okay, let me just move these up the road. Okay, I have completed this image for my spring flings and Easter things. So what am I going to do with this one? This is a gorgeous image. It is slightly different to the one that I did, but by the looks of it, oh look, I said about consistency, but the good thing with this is you get multi-places. A 10 placer and a 4 placer, and baggies. This is the drills. I mean, it says it all. I do believe there are special drills in here. Yes, they're very different to the ones I had. But this sneaky peek in there, look. And there's some more. That's not the only ones. Can we get you all in? Look, you have the cottage at the top, and the lane and fence, and then you come down over the bridge, and then down the steps here. My one was slightly different. It's the same image, but it was slightly different, and I don't know if you can see the swans in. There's the mummy swan watching the baby swans. If you remember, I got really excited about that. So yeah, I love this canvas. It turned out beautiful, and it got a lot of compliments on my Facebook group and my Instagram. So this has 35 colours. It has 3 special drills, all DMC coded again. But I have done this. This is a PR package. I haven't paid for it, so I'm not going to raffle it off. because that would just be wrong. But we need to gift it to someone, so stay tuned for future videos because I will be doing a giveaway of this canvas. It is beautiful. It is really beautiful. You can see all the flowers and the lampposts on either side. There's one this side as well, and the little lane going up towards the cottage and the sky itself. I loved working on this, but yeah, I need to pass it forwards because I have completed this and it was sent to me to review. So I'm going to gift it to someone, I just don't know who or how yet. But this is absolutely gorgeous. 45 by 85. It is 1 to 8, then letters, and then a couple of symbols, a diamond, a hashtag, and question mark, and a slash, and then your special drills, which are colour coded. So you've got your green ones, your silver ones, and your orange ones. So that's where they all go. But it is a beautiful canvas. It's just, I have just completed one, so this exact same image. So I'm going to pass it forwards and give this to someone, somewhere. That is beautiful. I'm going to wrap this one back up because I'm going to gift it. And yeah, keep it in pristine. I'll put a couple of toolkits in there. I don't keep the toolkit. I'm going to pop that back in there. How can I do it as good as it was? Ta-da! There you go, that is ready to send out to some lucky person. With that said, I have a gorgeous I love this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, let's just pull you down. I love that. I love my elephant as well. He's super, super cute. Starry Night. And Hannah. Strawberry Hannah. Thank you so much to Emily for reaching out to me and asking me to review these products. I will link the website down below. Please do go check them out and have a look around. They have so many images. I really suggest you have a look. These are all the drills that I need to sort out. Toolkit. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will be gifting that canvas, this gorgeous landscape. It is gorgeous. It's just a shame I've just completed the same one. So yeah, I'm going to keep these and review these for you guys, and look out for me working on them in future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I know you're all excited now about the giveaway, aren't you? You have to stay tuned, guys. Thank you, Emily, for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate it. I'm always very touched when someone stumbles across my channel and asks me to review their products. I'm very happy. I love Hannah. I love the elephant. I'm very happy, and yeah, I will link their website down below, so please do go check them out. It came, I I can't remember dates now off the top of my head. Emily messaged me. I think it was in the beginning of May. She contacted me and I was having a look through the website and I'm just like, yeah, I would rather be surprised. And I have been. Very, very happy. So we spoke for a while and then she sent me an email saying that it had been shipped. And then she emailed me on, I think it was Thursday. Today is Monday. And she said, oh, it's been delivered. I said, no, it hasn't. So I was getting a bit worried. But it came with Hermes and that explains a lot. Hermes used to be on it. They used to be really good and reliable. But I've found, personally, they take their time now. They're in no rush. Things seem to take ages to get to the destination. So she had shipped it out from China. So she had shipped it out promptly to me. It's just delays this side. That, I mean, it's only Thursday, Friday. They don't count weekends anymore. They used to, but they don't anymore. So yeah, 4 days. I was a little bit worried about where my parcel was. But it came quite quickly, is what I'm trying to get at. Yeah. No longer than 2 weeks. And she messaged me on Thursday and 4 days went missing, so go check them out, guys. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, I'm very happy with what Emily has sent me. Completely her choice. She just sent me a load of stuff and that's what I asked her to do. So thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, it's very, very kind of her to send me such a selection for you guys to have a look at. So thank you so very much for watching and I shall see you in another video very, very soon. Look at her. I'm so excited. Love, hugs and sparkles to you all. Bye.